you don't need for audition. That pussy feel girl like you know have it long. Put your two stiff titty.
You hear what the dog say? The dog say the pum pum feel good like so she not have it long. Me bum buckle it. Brass club. You not throw over things in the car to blood clot.
Reaction.
What's good, YouTube? It's the boy TyrekeReacts, aka The Reaction Boss. And I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. Now today we have a song called Good Brain by Zerimar. People, Trinidad, what go on? I know some of them good narration for the past week, but I'm still on the grind, you understand me? We're working. I've got a lot of things coming for you guys. And you also want some more music from my boy, so working on that too. But I'm trying to make sure it sounds better this time, because as you all know, Americans can't mix and master the Caribbean music. However, enough of that said, sorry for the disappearance, but we're back right now, giving a video reaction today for the girls. So the girls with the tight pum pum big up on yourself as and reaction boss me, so no. And I always come back to represent phone, you see me say? As you can see me up on the channel, because you know we are trying to reach 10,000 subscribers over a year, so. But the most important thing for you to do right now, I enjoy the bomba clap video. Right tune!
Baby, remember when we met at college? Yeah. Never know we good brain and tight pussy could have.
Buckley, the dog say, baby, remember when we met at college, you know, girl? You see me, I say, a college dog meet you know, pum wet up, you know. You see me, I say, go on, my key west, I'm for saying up here, because right now, Zerimar, talk to the girl.
What your list? 10 gal a week, me used to fuck based on my knowledge. Now you lock me up and tie me down like you was in a package.
What?
Yeah, babe.
Hold on. She lock you down and tie you. What? What she do? Me blood no cloth. And what kind of girl you deal with? Go on.
Print up the pussy for me. Me just have to see you and get honey. And to me say just fuck girl, loving you was never the intention.
Me like him too. Remember him who sang them when them sang them. People, the dog just say tell the guy say quint up the pussy for me. Dog say, yo, little girl, make that to get, make cocky see, when make cocky see, you get honey. Go on!
But you treat me so good, me cannot see you with the next man. And a real man, mommy love you, girl. That's my confession. Funny how the table turn, different direction. Make you mine.
Big up to the man that out there, I can admit a woman say, yo, baby girl. See you fuck up my brains, you know, dog. You see me? You fuck up my brains. You know what? If me say the next man, I'm going to kill him. I'm going to my friends, I'm going to jealous. I mean, I know if you go to belly. I mean, if you live in your belly for 9 months, straight. Big up to the dad, the mother can yo admit a woman say, yo, you got the good, you know. You're a pum tight, you know. Hey, you hear me? Go on!
This world, you don't need for audition. That pussy feel girl like you know have it long. Put your two stiff titty.
You hear what the dog say? The dog say the pum feel good like so she not have it long. Me bum buckle it. Brass club. You not throw over things in the car to blood clot. Big up to your car. Big up, baby girl for your car. But yo, hey girl, the dog say the pum feel good like so she not have it long. Go on!
Back shot the body wrong. Long cocky or the ambition. Make you turn around like say something wrong. I just say so long. And you are going to ever be number one.
Bumbo clap! I want the lighter there. Me rotted. You know, anytime we do a Zerimar song in the dog. Anytime we react to a Zerimar song in the people, I'll be a torture, you know. I'll be a grime and go on in the dog. Only hear what go on. Bumbo clap. Little girl. As Zerimar talk to you right now. I didn't want about like COVID-19. I didn't want to say just fuck. Little girl. Run for the truck. Run tune still.
Your pussy are the champion like that are your profession. Pussy are the champion like that are your profession.
What? Yo, when you write a song just like this for the girl, them I say the girl them gonna love me too. Because I know why the girl them love you so. The dog say the pum are the champion. Little girl that are your profession. What else? What can I possibly say for this guy? Why him just said to Uno? The dog said the girl pum are the champion. It's like that our profession. Me write it. But which way you think about them lyrics if you write it and put in a song? What you think about them lyrics, yeah? Me blood clot. Me breadfruit. Go on!
Nobody can touch you like your man. Baby, remember when we met at college? Yeah, yeah. Never know where good brain and tight pussy coulda do what you list.
Oh, see it there? Baby, remember when we met at college? Never know a good brain and good music might do to a gyalis. Man said never know a good brain and tight pum pum can do to a gyalis. The dog said never know a good brain and tight pum pum what she have can do to a gyalis. And I think he might talk about brain as in smart. He might talk about the good guap 3,000 what shall give him. Me rascal. Paper, Zerimar. How them man ever hear about her? Mama, go on! It is all kind of religion.
I used to fuck this and me knowledge. Now you lock me up and tie me down like you was in a pocket. Baby.
That's a girl wrap him up all the time. Don't she has in a bumbo clad package. Like she has in a package. Wrap him up on time, the little girl. Bumbo clot. Youth. Dog, give me more of a police sunroof for that one, brother. Me bumbo clot. But it rains that so when I go pull it. Go on!
See for me. Me just have to see you and get honey.
That's not normal, you know? That's not normal, you know? I lie, me I tell that's the most normal thing that could ever happen to a man. You see a girl pum pum, you see a girl strip naked, not even naked. You know, say about to get some pum pum and the cocky say, me ready long time. Bumbo clot! Me ready long time! That's the greatest thing can happen to a man. Me ready long time. Go on!
Baby, something good and make me run out of luck. Now my days in the crib, when time police a knock. She a run go get the Glock and take a wig and wrap it up. She a go there when
them girl I will like. You hear the dog say? Them but this in the crib, when the police a knock. She run go grab the Glock. Wrap it up in her wig. She a hide the bumbo class strap. Yo, what them girl you want in your life? What them girl you want in your life with good brains and tight pum pum? Yo! What them girl you want in our life with good brains and tight pum pum? And me favor them girl belly for 9 months straight. Go on!
my rich because she there when my broke. She never link with none of my friend behind my back. Give them a fuck. Lord God, she know easy if you give it up.
It's my that one girl right now there when my broke. I'm not like more to stick around. Because you don't know, so when they make it out there in the dog, I decide my fake girl them come in the dog. And me I tell you. We like yeah, hold on, pause. Oh, if you watch my video right now, you don't like the video, you don't subscribe to the channel yet. You alright? You alright? Like the video, dog, and subscribe right now. Go on!
Put your two stiff tits in a me hand. Watch out the body wrong. Long cocky or the ambition make you turn up.
Put your two stiff titty them in my hand, so baby girl. Back shot body. Woy! The lock gear ambition. People, move up and listen to them lyrics how you put forth with the bumbo clap big ears them in the youth. And that man tell you not to know. Go on, hear some more song.
Wrong like say something wrong. I yes I saw you long. And you are gonna ever be number one. The pussy are the champion like that I profession.
Ambition.
But no way good brain and tight. The pussy farm.
Song
Tight
done.
pussy coulda do a callous.
The song blood clot done. But people, leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe, and thank you very, very, very much for watching this video. You understand me? I try to chop the video for you today, even though I'm actually at work right now. I'm not realizing, but I'm telling the dog, like, from the car accident people, you see me? Your boy been grinding real hard because we are trying to get back on my feet. This is not even my car. However, I'm trying to get a car tomorrow. Hopefully I do that. I'm actually trying to get the same car. So if I do that, I'm going to show y'all a vlog for that. But you know what? Let's chat things. Subscribe to the channel. Let's 10K subscribers. And the boy signing out right now. Like, you. Yeah, you, dog. Me I talk to all on the dog. Thank you for your love and the support. I still a subscriber. I love me now post no video. You see me I say, I'm still a watch and still a comment. I say, nobody say they miss me yet though. You see me I say, so I realize I say, who no real? I know it's not real, man. I joke me a blood clot. But just like I said, me I try to figure out if I soon understand say yo, the boy got your wall heap, so they not press him yet. I'll just remember about me. But when I say somebody go watch the video and comment about that part of the video, I saw me no serious, say watch the video to the end. Big up your bumbo class self. Why me I chat so much? I try my record in a long while. Me gone left your blood clot here, dog. Why me I chat so my work for go? Whoa, peace. You don't know.